Eugen Graf with EG Construction, entering our 15th year of building here in Bozeman, Montana. Lived here my whole life and developing in the area. We've been building in Bozeman generally in the mid-range home price. Obviously there's a big range in there, and we've kind of gone to the lower entry level, more affordable stuff, and gone up to the higher end luxury customer. We used to design a lot of homes, and we had a set of stock plans that we wanted to take back the history of Montana and say we named each house after a ghost town of Montana and had a little history on that. Since a lot of customers have changes to those, we've developed a lot more custom homes, and really the sky's the limit on design. Customers certainly look to Pinterest and house on different design ideas, and we can incorporate those into their home. I became a member of SWMBIA when I started my company 15 years ago. This is our 12th house in the Parade of Homes for SWMBIA. It's just great to see all the community come out and see what the builders are doing in the industry and the changes over time, and get to have those conversations with repeat visitors year after year. This year was a fun year to build a house for my sister. She's been planning it for several years, and we got to have a lot of her ideas that she's been thinking about for a while incorporated in, using some new vendors in Bozeman to see that design. We'll see a few interesting aspects. Try to have an open plan for entertaining, big open space to the west, great sunsets in the evening, and close to schools. So it'll be a great neighborhood for years to come. This home has some neat things. I really like how the office came together, and then there's a display built-in wall in the living room, kitchen area that's really neat. I think the most rewarding part of this home was getting to see the customer, even though it was my sister, getting to see her reactions and her enjoyment, being able to get into a home that is perfect for her family. So we certainly had some weather challenges this year, one of the most extreme winters, cold and snow that we've had. So there were some delays there, but we were able to get this home done well in advance of the parade. The yard is established, just in time for all the kids to be walking to school past it. The one thing about building a custom home is you get what you want. You don't have to settle for something in somebody else's house that they wanted. You get to get what you want, and you don't have to go in and remodel or change anything. There's a lot of possibilities in building your own home, choosing your lot where you want to be. And we do have one lot next door across the street that's available right now. Yeah, EG Construction is looking forward to the future. We have a new subdivision, phase of the subdivision coming through the city. Hopefully we'll be able to advertise that soon and offer those to new customers and continue developing the area south of town here.